Hi there, we appreciate you viewing this video on our Leblond sliding gap bed lathe. It recently came to us from reserve storage and is in very, very good condition. And it is a model NI, serial number NI765. The size is 34 over the bed, 60 over the gap, by 96-inch center distance with it closed, 164-inch open. We'll run around the machine real quick and then Frank will run it for us. We'll also mention what it comes with. Currently it has the big 48-inch faceplate with the 4 jaws. Let's look at the ways. The steady rests that you see are 16-inch and 7-inch. The tooling is 26-inch faceplate, 32-inch 3-jaw, 24-inch 4-jaw, and the tool holder. Look at the taper attachment on the back. Sorry, it's tied in here, so I'm doing the best I can. Okay. Please note that lathes that are this heavy duty and this size are becoming more and more rare to find in anywhere near this sort of condition. Okay, we're at 10. Woo! Moving over here. Oh my gosh. Wow, that is big. Okay, we're at 50 RPM.
Show me a bit. Feeding towards the chuck.
Nice. Nice break. Frank, I'm thinking we should only go up to like 200 RPM or something with that big ass faceplate on there. That sound good? Okay. It's a little intimidating.
That's 89 RPM. A 2-speed motor.
2-speed motor, so it's 220 volt.
Yeah, it'll change it to 178.
Oh my word. Wow. Sounds beautiful.
Okay, this is at 200.
Whoa. Hard to believe a lathe of this size runs this smooth and sounds this good. Well, we appreciate your interest, and you are welcome to call us at 801-531-9500 Or you can also come see this. We are 5 minutes from the Salt Lake International Airport. Thanks again.